How to add TD card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app on your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You're gonna land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this plus icon. Click on it. Different available card options will appear. Navigate to the option that best suits you. You can select debit or credit card, as I'm gonna select it. Now click on continue. With that, your camera will open up. Now from here, you can easily scan the card and update your card, or else what you can do is enter card details manually. If you want to scan it, position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. Likewise, you can click on the option of enter card details manually if you don't want to scan it. Now type in your name, then type in the card number, then click on next. After you type in your card number, click on next, and in the next page you'll need to type in the expiration date and CVV of your card. Then click on done and go through the process. With that, your card details will be updated in Apple Wallet. So this is how you can easily add TD card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.